My name is Rebecca Hayes. I work at Ericsson Tyseley and I work as an electromechanical technician. I applied to the job through a standard application online and came for an interview, and then from there I was offered the job and went to In-Comm to complete the interview exam thing there. I enjoy the problem solving that's involved. It's never the same, like one motor from the next, it's never the same problem. It's not just the same thing day in, day out. You always get a bit of variation. Hands-on experience and the broad amount of experience, being able to learn the theory with seeing actually like what it means, not just knowing the equations, actually knowing what the equations are used for. I think it gives you, like I said before, a very broad and solid understanding of everything involved in engineering, as opposed to just taking a theoretical route.